Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Very excited today. We just recently did the video on the Flying Dragon Orange. You can see it here, it's doing great. Check that out if you haven't seen it. I am thrilled to see buds forming and little shoots coming out now, finally, on our pomegranate tree. This is the one of 3. You can see little growths here. If you put my hand there, you can see those are all new little growths, and this as well. These little tiny shoots here, and the leaves are starting to come out. So I am thrilled. It has survived the winter outside, which is awesome. Our fig has also survived. I knew this would though, because my brother has had his outside for many years, and we do have a winter that generally allows the fig trees to survive. So this is doing great. I'm super happy the leaves are coming out. And now I am eagerly awaiting these other pomegranates. These are the other 2, to see if they will also have survived. But I feel very confident now, seeing the new growth on that other one, that this one and its little sibling over here will both have survived too. So if you'd like to see how I grew these from seed from a store-bought fruit. Check out my older video. I'll put a link in the description and you guys can check it out. And then I'll do a update video on this later as I plant them out into the garden. My intention is to plant all 3 of them out into our garden this year. Now that I know that they survive, it should be great to just get them in the ground. So yeah, hopefully you guys will subscribe and stay tuned, and let's see how these little guys continue to grow. Thanks for everybody's support, and see you in another video soon. Bye.